Hello Excel users, welcome to today's video on mastering the formula bar in Excel. In this comprehensive guide, I will take you through the ins and outs of this powerful tool which will help you work with formulas, functions and data like a pro. So let's get started. The formula bar is a feature in Microsoft Excel that is located right here above the worksheet area. When you click on a cell, its contents are displayed in the formula bar. You can directly edit the contents of a cell by clicking on the formula bar and making your changes. This provides a convenient way to modify data or formulas quickly. When you go to the formula bar to add or edit the value of a cell, you can see three buttons beside the formula bar: cancel, enter and function. These options will come in handy when entering the formulas into cells. To enter data from the formula bar, begin by selecting the cell where you want to input the data. Once the cell is selected, you can simply start typing in the formula bar to enter the desired data. For example, if you want to enter the value 500 into the selected cell, type 500 in the formula bar. After typing the data, press the enter on your keyboard. The data you entered in the formula bar will now be populated into the selected cell. If you can directly enter values from the cells without needing to use the formula bar, you may wonder what the purpose of entering data from the formula bar in Excel is. The formula bar serves a crucial role in entering and manipulating formulas, functions, and complex calculations. While it's true that simple values can be entered directly into cells, the formula bar is specially designed for more advanced data manipulation tasks. The purpose of entering data from the formula bar in Excel is primarily to accommodate and work with more complex scenarios where the data or formulas exceed the visible width of a cell. It allows you to input and modify formulas, perform calculations, and create references to other cells or ranges. The formula bar displays the contents of a selected cell in a larger and more legible format compared to the cell itself. It is particularly useful when dealing with long or wide formulas that may be difficult to manage within the confines of a single cell. By utilizing the formula bar, you can easily view and modify lengthy formulas without the need of horizontal scrolling, resulting in a more user-friendly experience. This improves readability, particularly when dealing with lengthy or complex data. To edit a formula, start by selecting the cell containing the formula. This will display the formula in the formula bar. Next, click on the formula bar to activate it and make your desired changes to the formula. You can add, delete or modify any part of the formula as needed. For example, here I have a formula equals a1 plus b1 and I want to change it to equals a1 minus b1. Simply select the cell and click in the formula bar and remove the plus symbol and add minus symbol. After making the necessary changes in the formula bar, press the enter key on your keyboard or enter button beside the formula bar. Excel will recalculate the formula using the new modifications and the cell will display the updated result. If you decide not to proceed with the changes, you can press the escape key on your keyboard or cancel button beside the formula bar. This will cancel the editing process and revert the formula back to its original state. Now let's explore entering formulas. By clicking on the formula bar, you can input formulas, functions and mathematical operations. Excel offers a wide range of built-in functions to help you perform complex calculations with ease. Select the cell where you want to insert a function. Click on the formula bar to activate it and locate the Insert Function button beside the formula bar. Click on the Insert Function button. This will open the Insert Function dialog box. In the dialog box, you will see a list of functions categorized by functionality. You can browse through the categories or use the search bar at the top to find the specific function. Select the desired function from the list by clicking on it. A brief description of the function will appear here in the dialog box. Click on the OK button to proceed. The function argument dialog box will appear, allowing you to enter the required arguments for the selected function. Enter the appropriate values or cell references for each argument. Here Excel will automatically select the range. If it's not right, you can type them directly or click on this arrow button and select the cells by clicking on them. Now again press this arrow button to back to the function arguments. As you enter the arguments, the preview section at the bottom of the dialog box will display a preview of the function's result based on the entered arguments. Once you have entered all necessary arguments, click on the OK button. Excel will insert the function with its arguments into the selected cell and the calculated result will be displayed. The formula bar is a visible tool in Excel that allows you to work with formulas and data. However, there might be instances when you wish to customize your Excel interface by showing or hiding the formula bar. Let's begin with the simple process of adjusting the visibility of the formula bar. First, open Excel workbook and navigate to the ribbon. Next, locate the View tab in the top menu and click on it to access the view related options. Within the View tab, you will find the Show group. In the Show group, look for the checkbox labeled Formula bar. If the formula bar is currently visible, the checkbox will be checked. If it is hidden, the checkbox will be unchecked. To show the formula bar, click on the checkbox next to formula bar if it is unchecked. This will enable the display of the formula bar. To hide the formula bar, click on the checkbox next to formula bar if it is checked. This will disable the display of the formula bar. The formula bar provides a space for viewing and editing formulas, but sometimes you may need more room to work with larger formulas. You can expand or collapse the formula bar whenever required. To expand the formula bar in Excel, first locate the formula bar and move your mouse cursor to the bottom edge of the formula bar until it changes into a double-headed arrow. Now click and drag the bottom edge of the formula bar downwards to expand it vertically. As you drag, you will see the formula bar expanding, providing more space to view and edit formulas. Adjust the height of the formula bar according to your preference, making sure it doesn't obstruct the worksheet area. You can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus U or use the drop down button from the right corner to expand or collapse the formula bar. I hope now you have gained a solid understanding about the formula bar in Excel. By utilizing this tool effectively, you can become more proficient in working with data and unlocking the full potential of Excel. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tutorials. Explore our other videos to enhance your Excel skills further. Happy Excelling!